This is a smart video door phone, and this is a smart video door phone. One records at full HD, the other one records at 2K resolution. The installation is super simple. Just connect two wires between the two units, and that is it. You are ready to go. We can open our house or garage door, use the key tags to unlock without keys, and it will automatically record video with motion detection. Oh, and it also has a bell. When someone rings at our doorbell, and at this moment the volume is on minimum so that you can hear me, we will have the option to turn it off so that's no one at home, the option to talk, which is the green button, then the option to open the door or open the garage door. The installation is super simple, and all the accessories that we will require are inside the package. Now, I do have the EZVIZ CP7, which is an older model, and it doesn't make sense for me to upgrade to this. But if you have an older video doorbell, which was my case a few years ago, that's totally worth it. And in terms of the overall installation, we just need to remove the old one. We will need two wires only, and that is it. So if you remove your old one and you see a lot of wires, don't worry, you will only need two of those wires. First of all, let's go to our circuit breaker and turn it off so that we can avoid accidents. Then remove your old video doorbell, which in my case, as I was saying, I've got a model which is a bit older than this one, so it's a really simple installation. But if you have an old one, the process is the same. Now, after we remove the old one, we need to connect the 24-volt transformer or power adapter that comes included. But as you guys know, I don't use the ones included because they are bulky and they don't fit on the junction box. So I use smaller ones instead. I will leave some links down below, but we have made several videos about this. So I will leave also some links that will guide you how you can replace one of those power adapters with one of these smaller power adapters. Now, once we have the power adapter in place, just connect the power adapter to the monitor and then those two wires that will link to the outdoor unit. Now let's go outside, remove our old video doorbell from the outside and install either the CP5 or the CP7. Now the one you are seeing on screen is the CP5, which was the one that I did use for this video, and the only connection that I made was those two wires from the indoor unit. But if you want, you can also connect two wires for the front door opener and two more for the garage gate. Actually, I still haven't made a video about opening the doors with one of these units, so expect that in a few days or in a few weeks. To be more precise, I will do a dedicated video just showing how easy it is to control the doors with one of these units. Once we connect those two wires, then we just need to screw everything in, turn the circuit breaker back on and pair it with the app, which we already know. So in about 5 minutes or so, your video doorbell is installed and ready to go. Now, both models support microSD cards for video storage, and in terms of image quality, even though one records at 2K and the other one in full HD, I'm not really sure if we can see a difference or not. Both look great on screen, but I will put them here so that you can compare both with low light and also with a normal lighting conditions. But let me know down below in the comment section, do you see any difference between the two, or they are more or less the same? Now, the monitors are 7 inches with the same resolution for both models, and honestly, I don't see many differences. Actually, I don't see any difference at all in terms of features. Even the doorbell sounds are the same. If we have other EZVIZ smart devices, you can add them seamlessly without any issues. For example, I did add the CP7 video doorbell to my CP5 setup just as an example, but we could add also a surveillance camera or any other device that we have from EZVIZ. Now, the app is very familiar. We have used a lot. It's really simple to use. Right now, I have 3 video doorbells installed, which is the CP5, CP7 and CP7, and I can access each one for live views or for recordings. So these are 2 great options if you're looking for a solution to replace your old video door phone or video doorbell into a smart system that you can not only see on the displays but also on your smart devices like phones, tablets, even on your computer. There is a difference in terms of prices, but I will leave links down below. In my particular case, it doesn't make sense to upgrade from the HP7 to any of these because the HP7, although it's older, it is still a smart video door phone that works awesome. But if you have one of those really old ones like I did had in the past, and I will try to leave that link down below, then makes total sense, because when we do have anyone at our door, even if we are not at home, I will be able with my phone to control everything that is there, and besides that it will record everything that happens at my doorstep. Hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.